Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a forward engine control module used in heavy equipment across several different industries. The unit shown here is used specifically in an LRG 425 engine for a wood chipper, but they are also commonly found in both boom and scissor lifts. When this unit arrived, it would not power on and had damage on a key component. We replaced the important part and then gave the unit a full rebuild, and as shown in the video, we then fully tested it on our in-house produced test fixture. ERD has years of experience repairing all kinds of different ECMs and has made multiple test fixtures to both fully test and verify to our customers our work before it returns. So, if your ECM is having trouble, call us today for your quote.